Okay. How many are there? All 30? Okay. Great. So this is our topic today. Or last year also we studied a lot about this in a different aspect, but today we will be talking about this thing in a different aspect. Okay. So what we know already is this, that glucose is helpful for what? Glucose is helpful for production of energy, okay, in the form of ATP. Energy as ATP. Now through which? Through glycolysis and TCA cycle. Okay. So in glycolysis what happens? It forms a molecule called uh, pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. One second. Which ultimately get to what? Can you remember what it forms? It forms acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA, and enters where? Then it enters into TCA cycle. Okay. Okay. TCA cycle. Now from TCA cycle one more pathway starts. এগুলি আমাদের মনে রাখতে হবে. From TCA cycle one more pathway starts, which is known as what? Electron transport chain. Okay. Electron transport chain, which ultimately give rise to what? Give rise to the required amount of ATP. Okay. It ultimately give rise to required amount of ATP. Okay. Now the whole scenario takes place in aerobic condition. Whenever we talk about electron transport chain, we are talking about aerobic condition where there is lot of oxygen. Okay. These things are already there. Aerobic condition. Okay. But glycolysis is anaerobic. Anaerobic condition. And therefore in glycolysis only small amount of ATP is formed. This thing we already know. Now what exactly happens? The whole scenario takes place where? Whatever things we are talking, the whole things takes place where, you know? Inside the cell. Okay. Let us draw it in this way. Inside the cell, in an organelle called what, you know? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Okay. The whole thing takes place where? Inside mitochondria. Now which thing takes place inside mitochondria? These things. This whole thing is taking place where? Inside mitochondria. But glycolysis takes place where? Glycolysis takes place in a place called what? Cytoplasm. Okay. So the whole thing altogether is known as what? Your cell. the whole thing is known as what? Your cell. Okay, let us see it in this way. Okay, this is your cell. Inside the cell this thing takes place. अभी कौन आ गया? Okay, so whole thing takes place where? Inside your cell. Okay, that means now you are very careful. That means there should be something to put all the glucose inside the cell. ठीक है? Now this is the cell membrane. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Cell membrane. This thing is known as what? Cell membrane. Okay, that means the glucose molecule should somehow go into this. ये cell के अंदर उसको आना चाहिए. Okay, it should get into the what the thing is inside the cell through the cell membrane. Okay, now how do it? Cell के अंदर how it will come? In order to come inside the cell, it must cross the barrier. This barrier is what? Cell membrane. So glucose is here outside, so it should get in. So how exactly it will get in? In order to get into cell, it has a pathway. It directly cannot enter. It should enter through a channel. Now this is the channel. Okay, this channel is the channel which is there inside channel or a channel protein. Okay, in the channel protein, now name of this channel protein you should know. This is the channel protein through which glucose should come. Okay, so glucose is present outside. Let us draw the structure and remember it. C, then all C, okay, then C, then C, then C, then C. Okay, we can remember, na? Then what is there? Okay, so the first molecule was an HO, then subsequently you will draw HOH. Okay, it may not look perfect, but no problem. Put it like this. Okay, so this is a large molecule. So this large molecule cannot directly come into the cell. Okay, so how come it will come? It will come through this. Okay, so it can come through this channel. Okay, so glucose will come into the cell